the books of Annie Ernaux, the Nobel Prize winner this year. The saga consists of 3 books talking about a girl, a woman, and a man. Script by J.K. Rowling. The Tianfu Book Fair this year has hosted more than 100 events, attracting bookworms from all over the world.
I hope that many Chengdu people can discover books, new books. I think reading is very important for people, right? To
broaden their mind,
to broaden their
horizons,
mind, to learn. Be it physical books or being online, right? That doesn't really matter. But I think still many people like to have a physical book like we have here. So yeah, I hope that there's a lot of people coming here.
I'm very interested in books. In China, I think that the bookstore in China, they are very. It's not just to read books. It's also very like the ambience is very nice, and you also can drink coffee and also read. And so I really like to go to bookstore in China.
Okay.
And so when I went here, I was like, oh my God, there are so many books everywhere. It's so cool. So yeah, I think it's very interesting.
Okay. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read like fantasy in real life and also fantasy mix, like Harry Potter or things like that.
Okay.
Yeah, this kind of fantasy.
Okay.
Have the faith that in the future we will have more opportunities to get in touch with each other in the future and to know each other better because we are living on the same planet. In the past we say that this is the Earth village. Now we can say that all the citizens, all the human beings living in this world with all a shared future. Yes, and I think especially for the younger people, for the younger generations, I hope my children can have a lot of friends, not only Chinese, but also foreign friends, and they can communicate with their own languages. The foreign friends can speak Mandarin, and my children can speak English, French, or Spanish.